Hi there everybody, hi Top Doggers, it's Emma from the warehouse. We're getting quite a lot of messages, Facebook messages, emails about, oh my god, my grass cleaner doesn't work anymore. It used to work, it used to be brilliant, but now it doesn't work. So my handy tip of the moment is you can't think of your artificial grass cleaning this week in the way that you thought about it a couple of weeks ago, because the weather is completely different. So if you have sort of mastered your grass cleaning any time really up until the sun came out, and then all of a sudden everything in the garden is different, the heat is different, the humidity is different, the grass is different, the grass is hot, the best way to kind of think about it is, up until now, it's been like your dog has been weeing in the conservatory on the tiled floor, and you kind of left the wee, but it's okay because the air's cool and the tiled floor's cool and it's not going to smell. In comparison with at the moment, it's like your dog has weed on your shag pile living room carpet. The heating's on full blast and the door's shut. So what would have probably worked for the rest of the year isn't gonna work now. So we just had the same conversation with lots and lots of people, because so many people are getting frustrated because, as I say, you're dealing with a kind of completely different circumstances. So, as we all know, Facebook loves to get hysterical about how hot artificial grass gets, and yes, it does. But what that does mean is that wees bake on as pretty much as soon as they're done. So it's like the dog's weeing on a towel and you're chucking it on the radiator. As soon as the wee is done, that wee starts cooking and it starts smelling. So whereas a couple of weeks ago you could maybe get away with cleaning the grass every sort of 10 days or so, new wees are going to start smelling within a few hours. Little and often is probably the best thing to do. In the evening, if you're using the enzyme cleaners, it's not the heat that affects the enzyme cleaners, it's the evaporation really. So if you use them in the evening, just use little and often. So you might almost need to do every other day with a really weak solution, either in your watering can or your hose end thingy, just because all those new wees are going to start smelling really quickly. You're just not going to get away with using a winter/spring cleaning routine. So don't get disheartened, don't think that whatever you've been doing, it no longer works and it's all a disaster. It's very different situation. You've got a lot of humidity in the air, all the new wees are smelling instantly. It's not that you're doing anything wrong, it's not that the cleaners don't work, it's just that you're just going to have to do something slightly different while it's as hot as it is. So if you are a fan of the Wee Free and you use the Wee Frees, all of those ranges, that's what you need to do. Just wait till the evening, give it a quick wet down with, might even be just like 100ml in a 5 litre watering can, just to go over where the wees are weed. If you are a Peer fan, and so that's a disinfectant, the way the disinfectants work is they kill the bacteria on the dog wee. That's why they stop them smelling for a few days, and then the smell eventually sort of comes back again. And again, with the Peer, just give it a really quick wash down every couple of days, just while it's this warm, to keep on top of it. So that's about it really. Don't panic if you are struggling. Go on to little and often, because it is going to rain, so you won't be struggling for long. And I will have a chat to you all tomorrow. Lots and lots of love. Over and out.